love Nito guys. I love Chino.
I love Moreno,
Pati
guys.
Ana. So, alam. Hello, di ba rin? Nagkakit ako may phone.
Family!
Hey vlog.
Happy birthday, young.
A day in the life of the ISF student.
Ate, isa lang. Hi, I'm with Julian.
Hello.
Wow, flex na yung flower. Hi guys! So now, I'm here at Lewis' first birthday. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog. Okay lang kay ano.
We're gonna do face painting. Kuya, gutang na ko kuya. Feather? Ikaw na gano'n ng feather? Sige, ako na. Please meet my very, 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 very pretty niece. Hi lang.
Akat na lang.
Cut na lang. Sige, go. Pati ang ano sa akin. Ah! Messi! Ako here!
Oh my god.
Mapindas.
Hi, I'm in
Dere lang.
Guys vlog.
Yeah.
Finally. After how many years? Oh wait, wait daw.
Yes.
Dok, hindi ko nagkaroon.
Hello, white siya. Color ni Nano.
Nakainin na.
Yeah. Yeah. So, guys. Thank you. Meow. 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 So,
Nasa ang lighting.
mga yumi. Guys, mabudol na here.
Kaya lang ko mag-ilag sugar ulit na madami sa sister ko.
Wala mag-ano ka? No.
Mag-vlog ka?
No.
No, hindi lang ko.
Ate, isa lang. Thank you. Padala sa iPad na eh. Let's go inside. So, hi guys. We're currently here. I'm with Earl.
Yeah, with my girl.
Kanina lang.
Me. It's me again.
Nako yung sa kamay.
Dahil magaling. Hello. Ciao, oy. So right now, we're here at Elaine's nephew's birthday party and my cousin's birthday party. Yeah. So we're at the record straight. Actually, we're not cousins. Just my aunties. Habit ka, oh. Yeah, pero I'm ano lang. It happens na I'm
Older.
yeah, I'm much older than her. That's why. So, like, na may cousins.
At to consider na ikaw yung eldest sa inyo.
Actually, look at my phone case. It's so cute.
You should flex your pouch.
Oh, okay, may pouch. Wait lang.
This is the pouch. Ano na siya sa, ano guys? Like sa, yung parang giveaway, something like that. You can do your own pouch. You can design.
Here's my pouch.
It's
Adi with
Yeah.
the tree, with the horse, the stallion, to be specific, and
stallion.
then it's the barnyard and actually the chicken. Yeah, and I opted for different types of letterings because I don't like the usual wood letterings because it's very
Wood font.
yeah, the font.
So mine is, it has the stallion horse, the baby pig and a cow and a fence. What do we call this?
Barn.
It's a barn.
At the barnyard.
Since wala na yung letters na dili na ma-occupied ang
occupied.
E-I, wala na yung I and another N. So, nano na lang. And lit. That's why.
Yeah. Okay, back to my casing. I chose this, actually it's my kung kasi how should I preserve, like comment down below how to preserve the casing. Okay, sayang tayo.
Pag nasa gawas, may inanap man good.
Kaya ganun, kasi mapapit
Oo, like, katong gawas.
Hindi ko preserve. Kaya dito sa kayo.
This one, I love this.
This one is my Chinito Hirono. It's my friend. Actually, it was given by my friend. Kasi she knows na I love Chinito guy. I love Chinoy. Yeah.
I love Moreno,
Kasi
guys.
So, I love Chinito. Chinito.
Tall, dark, and
Chinoy.
handsome.
Na mga video of China. And then, ito, okay.
Magkakas ako.
Okay. Bueno, muli, di ba, muli ka dito?
Pwede raw ma. So, I'm thinking to go home later ba or tomorrow.
Pero, we want
Since
to,
gusto ni Earl mag-podcast so later about what?
About like, think about it. Like,
Mag-podcast daw kami. So,
So, marilis
tomorrow
lang
na
ang
lang.
podcast on the days also. So, na,
Yeah. Yes.
High school daw, high school.
Dili, uy, high school niya. Ano si Papi? Wow, congrats.
Ano mo, picture? Ilan ka daw yung high school daw?
si Nano.
Hindi na lang daw siya.
Ano kayo mong vlog, ate? Thanks. Thank you for supporting. Thank you.
ako vlog lang ako yung vlog.
Yeah, very supportive channel. Dari ata, girl. Dari akong uncle. Thank you. Let's eat, everyone. Say hi to my vlog, day. This is my dad.
Hi!
Asa ka, Earl?
Ako kanina niwat bihan na ang mama mo shout man yun. Ganay?
What's wrong with my, Hi siya sa akong vlog.
Hi!
Say hi, family! Pwede makisingit.
Kailangan na siya
Hi! Makisingit ko. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to your vlogs.
Ano to, Sir Earl?
Nasaan akong phone?
Uy, isa ni. Ako, ano mo yung phone? Ila-ila ko na yung gagawin. Lada mga guys. Una kami karon diri sa kuan sa Turil.
Turil din eh.
Turil ni.
Guys.
Sila sige vlog day.
Ah! Kaya no?
Sorry.
Ako sa na.
Share na ko na. Mention ka.
Kamusta ang Hong Kong?
Wala mo gado. AI kundo. AI ron to.
Bastos.
Lagi. Ina jadi.
Bagon ka pa.
Ina jadi. Antes. Ah, mo yablin.
Nag Manila.
Ano sa dito?
Nag-work.
Hello.
Guys, another pinsan of the night. Eat well. Earl is nowhere to be found. I'm gonna eat first.
Oo.
Sorry, family.
May mga vloggers diyan.
I don't know if ano nito. Last week na ko. Ilan niya? Sa board. Aha. Hi guys. So today. Huh?
So we're here roaming around.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. Hi.
In the life of an ISHEF student.
And in life as a
The
Georgie.
Ilagan student from ISHEF.
Sige.
Okay. Tonight.
Tonight what? What tonight? Tonight will be the night. Oh, we're here walking, looking around for our another cousins. My nephews. My another nephews. Where is my nephews? This is say hi to my vlog. Tonight I'm with Julian. Julian, so pretty, right? Bobby, matin siya, no? Bobby?
Bobby needs Bobby.
Yes. How are
In
you?
the life of.
Okay lang.
You're so pogi.
In the life.
Guys, mga ninot kayo guys. Ay, ikaw!
Si
I'm with-
si Rachel Ango. Wait, ano yung name si Rachel Ann mo na siya?
Rachel Ann.
Rachel Ann mo na siya, Rachel Ann.
Okay.
Sila Andre ka na ang
Ito.
question.
Hi! Tonight I'm with... What's your name?
I'm Julius.
Julius. Wow,
Julius Caesar. Yes.
Yes. May sample daw. Sample.
Isa. Ano siya?
Thank you.
Thank you for the sample. Pero nawala sila Andre sa siya na.
So we're
Asa
looking
sila
for
na?
Ed, for Jonard, and
Actually,
for their friend.
actually today, namikaroon sa isa ka-exclusive na subdivision sa Davao. One of the largest
Guys,
and
ganito pala
and one of
feeling
the-
nung like mga
and
vloggers. Sige, go.
yeah,
Talk ka lang.
they're like, yeah, we're here in one of the Davao's exclusive subdivision in their clubhouse, attending again my cousin
And again.
and her nephew. Ano? Okay.
Tanong lang
Pasan
ngayon.
sabi sa pictures mag-post ako sa IG sa napaka. Send sa Cosmos Messenger. Tonight will be the night and a half.
Oh, the Lord.
Tonight I'm with...
Trust nigga.
Wala pa.
Tonight I'm with...
Si Andre.
Nag-stop sa lag niya.
Yeah, gusto ko mag-vape. Pero masyay ko mag-ask kay Russell.
Happy birthday, young.
Yan na, picture sa me.
Guys, nangayong og loot bag bisan wala ko'y apel. Love it. Capybara pencil. Hala, pwede ko ba?
Paint set.
Another set na. Yes. And a notepad.
Oh, basher.
Emoji lang ta ka, oy. Kay bashers ka. Babo.
Fernando. Pig, there's a pig na
Capybara.
pig.
Gunahan ko. I can paint it and put it on my bag. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya Mike. MM is here. Again. Okay, to the vlog.